the Nazi-Soviet Pact of 1939. When Britain and France guaranteed the borders of Poland that there would be a war if anybody attacked them, they then decided that the only country that could really defend Poland from German attack was the USSR, was Russia. But the USSR was communist, which Britain hated, and was led by a dictator, Joseph Stalin. So we didn't really want to be friends with either of them, but was Hitler becoming so strong that we maybe needed to? But Britain or France never contacted Stalin, never got any relationship going, and Stalin began to get very suspicious of them. So in the end, Stalin decides, I'm better off having some sort of pact, not an alliance, but a pact, an agreement with Nazi Germany, which is what he did in 1939. This pact is really surprising because Communist Russia and Fascist Germany were polar opposites. They hated each other. And with Hitler's idea of Lebensraum and what he'd written in Mein Kampf about communists, it seems really strange that they would join together. The reality is very different. Remember the Schlieffen Plan of the first topic we did. One of the problems Germany faced was a war on two fronts. Here we see Nazi Germany sitting in the orange right in the middle of Europe, just like the Kaiser's Germany did at the start of World War I. We see Soviet Russia to their east and France and Britain to the west. Now, the issue still is, as it was in World War I, if I fight a war there and there, I have to split my forces if I'm Germany. So if he can get an agreement with one side or the other, and now it seemed unlikely to be the West, you can forget about this side and concentrate all your firepower, all your motivation on that side. So the Nazi-Soviet Pact, lads, is dead simple. It's nothing to do with liking each other. It's nothing to do with being involved with each other. It's simply, I'll leave you alone if you leave me alone. Then Hitler can concentrate moving this way and concentrate on doing whatever he wants to do over here, safe, hopefully, in the knowledge that this would stay put over here. To Britain and France, this is a problem. It's fairly obvious then that what Hitler is going to do is move a little bit and take this territory here, join Germany back up, and then potentially move west. Russia and Germany had agreed to split Poland as part of the deal. Russia would be able to come in a little bit, and Germany would be able to go in a little bit, but they still would not clash. So it's obvious that Poland is going to be attacked. Now, if Poland is attacked, Britain and France have to step in. So as well as being dragged into the war, they did at some point see the Soviet Union under Stalin as a possible ally against Hitler, that he might come and be on their side. That's now not going to happen. So it's fairly obvious to the British and the French now that when Germany invades Poland, because they believe they're certainly going to split it in half, which was part of the agreement in the Nazi-Soviet Pact, Germany gets half, Russia gets half. Once they do that, it triggers these and they will have to attack Germany. War is now very, very close.